Okay, welcome back. Let's go and try and create the code I promised. We are now gonna put all this in a def. How we do this? Okay, let's try at first. Let me create something better. Okay. Now I think it's better. Okay, it's better. Now at first we want to import our library. What libraries we import? Not this, NumPy, Pandas, okay. Mean square error, we need it. Train test split, not 2 times. These two line or not, okay. And this line too. Now at first, this is the importing line of us. Wait a little to connect the kernel, okay. Let me create def linear regression data. Okay, it just needs one thing. As you can predict, it only get one variable. And what is it? You must now get it. What variable it wants? It wants score.csv. It just wants this. We call it the file, and another thing we call it the course. Okay, then let's import the libraries. Importing the libraries. This is the library that we imported. Okay, let's make them a little. Okay, now we imported our library. In the next line, what we should do, we should read our data. Importing and data, and then reading our data. These spaces are good for the cleaning of the code. pd.read csv, we put file for the CSV, and then data x and data y. Data x and data y is final, and data x, what we put? We put course. Now we have these two lines. Okay, then for splitting the data, x-train x-test, this is the right thing. Scatter and see our data. I do all the scattering in the end, not now. For now, training our model. Let us, I tell you how to do scattering in the end. Now train our data very easily. This is training, and then predicting the data, then create a diff, train our model, create a diff. This diff is made by me. I didn't see it. Someone use it, but in my way, I think it's good to know how to use it. But if you don't want, you can't. Don't use it. It's not that important. Okay, let's divide it by 20, and let's say the QF for the coefficient, intercept. Now don't scattering, R2 score, R2 score, and then what we do, we need mean square as well. It's good to have this. Let's see if we use it in the past. Mean square. Okay, we didn't use it. We use it in the future maybe. Now let's see if the code is working well or not. For now, let's just return. Let me just say return, for example, D. No, D not. Diff. That's good. Okay. Def linear regression data. Okay, we can't. I make something stupidly. Okay, now let's call our linear regression data. And for the what is the CSV file? Let me just copy that. Score.csv, and for the another thing, let's choose French. I think we should have this. Linear model is not defined. Which line? Linear model dot linear regression. I think we imported. Don't forget to import one of the most important libraries from sklearn import. Now it must be fixed. As you can see, it's working great and perfectly. Our dev is great. Don't forget to like and subscribe. In the next lesson, we were going to make it returns. Bye.